What's up everyone, it is Anthony from Heroes of Anime, and today we got ourselves the DX Ninja Raise Buckle from Kamen Rider Geats. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been really looking forward to this, honestly, because, I mean, look at it. It's just so cool. And they look so cool. If you haven't checked out the toy hunt for this and some other goodies, please go check that out. Yeah, that was quite the hunt. This thing really made me chase after it, so... But we got it, and we got these two forms. We got the Ninja Raise Buckle, of course, on the Desire Driver, which of course we will be taking a look at with as well. And right here we got the Raise Buckle with the driver, and on the side the buckle, and on the other side just says Desire Grand Prix Ninja Raise Buckle, and on the back has everything that it does. This specifically shows it with the boost raise buckle, but we're gonna be trying it out with a good amount of raise buckles today. So let's get this open on one of the sides. Let me know in the comments if you picked this up. Yeah, I'm super excited for this, to be honest. I'm really excited. This one looks really cool. I don't know, it's between this one and the zombie one, honestly, as far as the looks go. Because, I mean, the zombie one looks really good too. Let's see, let's open it up. There we go. And, dun dun dun, very cool. The color scheme reminds me of X-Aid, doesn't it? Ding. Ooh, very nice. Here's your Ninja Rider for the year. Oh, very cool. Instead of, you know, Kamen Rider Shinobi. But anyways, you pull on this, I guess. Oh! Oh, that's fun. Do it again. Ooh. Wow, that spins for quite a long time. I like that. Ooh, that's fun. I wasn't expecting to have to pull this. I thought you just had to spin this or something, but that, oh, let's do it again. Oh, that's so cool. That's that's pretty dope. All right, so it looks awesome. Yeah, you got some like pinkish, purplish gears back there for whatever reason, but that's cool. This is really cool. Okay, let's try it out with our Desire Driver. Desire Driver. With the Geats core ID. Gotta love that. Okay, well, let's take this thing and see what happens. Henshin. Ooh, ninja. That's awesome. I love the ninja type sounds. That's dope. All right, like it says on the box, let's try it with the boost raise buckle. Should I do this first? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. Ninja Boost Victory. Okay, let's try Grand Victory. Boost time. Boost time. Nice, nice. And of course you can switch it up. Just like that. And, you know, pretty much does the same thing there. Cool, all right, well. Let's try out some other ones then. How about zombie? Ooh, that's cool. Geats ninja zombie form. I really like how each raise buckle just has their own specific sound, and then when you put two together, or like put two raise buckles together, it just combines the sounds together. Like, that's awesome. I really like that. Dude, Geats ninja zombie form should actually happen. That would be dope. Let's try Magnum, because why not? Magnum. Let's try the hammer. Ninja. And last but not least, let's try a legend raise buckle. We're gonna try the Libera Driver one, because Libera Driver's cool. Yo, Gene Ninja form would be dope to see. That would be awesome. Yeah, I mean, I love this thing. I mean, I really love these raise buckles, like the bigger raise buckles. I think they're really cool. They look really good, especially on the driver. I don't know, they're kind of, I haven't really tried to display these. That's gonna be kind of a challenge, I feel, because they're just shaped so weird. I feel like the smaller ones are just, they're gonna be easier to display, of course. But yeah, I mean, I'll figure it out. Anyways, I still really like these, especially on the driver. They look really good. And I'm excited for more. I'm pretty sure Kamen Rider Nago is gonna get one herself, so definitely gonna have to pick that up when that's released. But Thank you all so much for everyone for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow us on our social media down in the description below. We also have a Discord, so go flex your toys, your collectibles, all that good stuff, and we will see you all next time.